knee pain, and worn cartilage are extremely common problems that affect mobility, comfort, and overall quality of life for many people, especially as we get older. It can make walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up feel harder than it should. But please remember this: you are not helpless. Nutrition truly plays a meaningful role in protecting your knee cartilage and supporting the development of new cartilage cells. Certain foods give your body exactly what it needs to repair and strengthen your joints. And in this video, I'll gently walk you through the 8 most important foods you can add to your daily diet to support healthier knees and better mobility. Number 1. Collagen-rich foods. Collagen is the central component of cartilage tissue and absolutely essential for its regeneration. Foods like bone broth, gelatin, or collagen supplements directly provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair cartilage. Bone broth, especially, is rich in collagen and amino acids like glycine and proline, which help strengthen cartilage and keep your joints well lubricated. So even if your knees have been bothering you for years, nourishing them with collagen can still make a difference. Number 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, herring, or sardines, contain high levels of omega-3s, which help calm inflammation in the body. Inflammation often worsens joint damage and cartilage breakdown, so reducing it is a powerful step in protecting your knees. Plant-based options like linseed oil, walnuts, and chia seeds are excellent alternatives. If you've been struggling with stiff, swollen joints, omega-3s can offer gentle, natural relief over time. Number 3. Vitamin C-rich foods. Without enough vitamin C, the body simply cannot build new cartilage tissue. Foods like oranges, peppers, strawberries, kiwis, and broccoli are packed with this essential antioxidant. Vitamin C also protects your joints from free radicals, which can speed up cartilage wear. Adding a bit more color to your plate can do wonders for joint repair. Number 4. Sulfur-containing foods. Sulfur is an important mineral needed to form cartilage and create synovial fluid, the fluid that keeps your joints moving smoothly. Garlic, onions, leeks, and cabbage are all rich in sulfur and support cartilage regeneration. They also help reduce inflammation and keep your joints supple, which becomes especially important as we age. Number 5. Legumes and whole grains. Lentils, beans, chickpeas, oatmeal, and quinoa are rich in fiber and micronutrients that help your body repair cartilage tissue. They're also excellent sources of zinc, a mineral vital for cartilage building and healing. These foods support slow, steady improvements in joint health, perfect for long-term mobility. Number 6. Turmeric and ginger. These spices are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric contains curcumin, which supports cartilage healing, while ginger promotes blood circulation and helps relieve joint pain and swelling. A small daily amount can gently ease discomfort over time. Number 7. Dairy products and calcium-rich foods. Milk, cheese, yogurt, and other calcium-rich foods help maintain strong bones, the foundation that supports your cartilage. Combine calcium with vitamin D for better absorption and stronger joint support. Even simple changes, like adding a yogurt or fortified milk, can make a meaningful difference. Number 8. Berries and colorful fruits. Blueberries, raspberries, and cherries are full of antioxidants that protect cartilage from damage caused by free radicals. These fruits help slow cartilage breakdown and support long-term joint health. And remember, even small improvements in your diet can support your knees more than you might think. It's never too late to take gentle steps toward better mobility. Try adding these foods into your meals in simple ways, like mixing berries into your breakfast, adding legumes or collagen-rich broth to soups, using turmeric and ginger in warm drinks, or enjoying a fresh salad with colorful vegetables. Even small daily additions can slowly nourish your knees from the inside out. Keep looking after yourself. Hit subscribe so I can continue guiding you with simple steps for healthier aging.